Hi, welcome to one new exercise of the day. So today we are going to have the final exercise in this February. So if you can refer to our other videos, we shown you 4 exercises, right? New exercises. So today will be the last one for this month. So I'm going to show you the burpee with coffee grinder push-up. So demo here. As usual, standing position. As you go down for the burpee, get one push. Get back. And let's do a coffee grinder. 1, the other direction. 2, and one more push. Okay, so this is 1 repetition. So total we are going to do 30 reps today just to practice. So let's take a dilly-dally time, maybe 24 seconds per repetition, shall we? 24 seconds. Let me get a timer. So once again, we are practicing this, right? A new exercise. So this timing here is just to keep pace only. So if we really need to tidy ourselves for the form and the sequences, feel free to always go slow. Don't be pressurized by the timing. 30 rounds, 24 seconds per round. Ready? Let's go now. Push. Coffee grinder. Both direction. 1. Take my time. Ready? Let's go. Two. Ready? Let's go. 3. 4. 5. 6. 10. 8. 9. 10. Feel clumsy as I do the coffee grinder. Got to practice more. 10 rounds gone. Lots of body control as I do the grinder. Let's tidy that. 10. Proceed. Ready? Let's go. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I went a little bit faster because I'm getting to a momentum. So I thought I'm doing faster, my grind will be better. Yeah, I think so. 15 reps. So take it smooth, guys. Take it smooth. Instead of like taking step by step. So now it's already the 15 reps. We are more familiar with exercise. So let's take it smooth. Make it smoother. 15. Let's prepare. Ready? Let's go. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. 20 now. You're getting wet. 20. 10 more to go, guys. I still want to tighten up my grinder sequences here. Still feels a little bit clumsy as I cross my legs under the other leg. I want to make it even smoother. 10 more reps to go. Taking my time. Also clean up the floor here. Lots of drips of sweat on the ground. Yes, okay. Ready? Let's go. Yep, 21. 22. 3. 4. 4. Five. 5 more to go, guys. Let me do some wiping down here. 25. 5 more to go. There's 5 more to go. Okay, enough rest. Let's get ready. Let's go now. Okay, 6. Okay, 7. 8. 9. One more. 3-0. Maybe just one more, shall we? Let's go. Tidy up. And 31. 31 reps. Finish your reps. Catch your breath. So as usual, burpee, whether is it old and new, we still continue to be changing to our body and mind. So for this one, there's a lot of sequences here. We have 2 complete grinder, turn left and turn right. It's not like breaking the momentum as we get into the burpee position. Otherwise, the usual burpee is always down, push up and up, down, push up and up. But here, we are injecting some additional movement here. Especially for this one, there's a lot of agility involved as well. For the leg movement, we've got to coordinate our left and right legs. So that's how very often you see me kicking the other legs, right? So there's a poor coordination. So a good coordination will be always wanting to lift up the legs and letting the other legs sweep, below the floor, something like this. Something like this. But very often I do something like kicking on my legs here. Yeah, that's really clumsy of me. Okay, so guess that I need more practice for my complete grinder push up. So the switching of the sequences, the body movement here, definitely is going to take out some of our energy because we have to use our palm to balance ourselves as we lift our body off the ground doing the grinder action. Good exercise really. Okay, so for you like this complete grinder push up burpee, so if you like this exercise, please share your family and friends and ask them to subscribe to the Fitness League channel. So please also give us your comment and your suggestions how this channel can serve you better. So I'll see you next time. Goodbye.